Hey guys, ba't ako paos? It's October 1 today. Happy October. I hope October treats us well. But yes, it's October 1 today and I have face-to-face classes every Wednesday, so magva-vlog ako. I actually have 2 classes, 1 to 3, then 5 to 7. Yes, until 7 p.m. I have vacant ng 3 to 5 p.m. I don't know what we're gonna do sa vacant. Also, naiinis ako, may bago akong pimple. Kasalanan ko din naman kasi hindi siya yung pimple na, you know, yung nagpapakita, yung nakalabas. Nakatago siya, so tinry ko siyang pisain. Tinry ko palabasin yung nana, but yun, lumala. So, yan. Also, I cut my hair. Again, I had a haircut no Sunday. It was very impulsive, guys, because I was missing my pixie cut. So I said, why not cut my hair again and go back to pixie cut? Actually, this is longer than the one I had before this. Basta yung hair ko nung February, that was so short. Like, yung bangs ko ata nandito. Pero, bumagay din naman siya sa akin. Pero yeah, ginawa kong mas longer. Hi. I just finished taking a bath. It's 10:28, so I'm not gonna be late. Let's do my skincare. Oh my gosh, I hate my pimple. I hate pimples. Also, it's so hot. Like, tutok na tutok yung araw, ha? It's so hot. It's so hot. Yung Monday, muntik na ako malate. Kasi yung FX na nasa SM North, may pila pa papuntang UST, so I had to wait. Moisturizer. Oh my god, I forgot to put serum. Whatever, I'll just put serum mamayang gabi. Sunscreen. Parang ang dami. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then I can leave. I'm gonna put of this lip balm from Muse. I love this. See you later at school, guys. Bye. Hey guys, we're at 7-Eleven buying snacks.
Lunch. Girl, lunch.
We're gonna eat lunch later.
We're gonna eat lunch later. This is our snack.
Yes.
While reviewing.
I love my Reese's Nutrageous peanut bar. I love Reese's. It's my snack.
I love lunch.
Then later I'm gonna eat chicken tenders. I love lunch.
Oh, hindi niya gets, guys.
Hindi ko get. Sorry.
Ulitin mo. Ano yung sinama mo?
I love Reese's Nutrageous peanut bar. What? Ano sabi mo?
I love lunch.
I love lunch?
Sige, figure out mo.
Guys, I don't get it, guys.
Sirit.
Sirit.
I love Reese's, diba?
Ah! I hate you. Yes. Okay, we're gonna study.
Wait,
For
hindi.
our-
Magti-tiktok. Okay.
For a written exam
Performative.
na hindi namin alam na meron.
Di naman alam, guys.
Or di kami nakikinig.
Either dun sa dalawa.
Hey guys! Guys! Gail, say hi!
Lunch ka na.
Kanina pa ako nandito. Ano ba to? May lumilipad.
Mambuha ka na. Hi guys! Hey guys!
Guess why we're here?
Yes,
Iba na building namin, di ba?
Oo. Guess why we're here.
Nag-shift kami.
Wala niya anong course. Tama, cream.
Criminal! Criminology pala.
Criminology kasi yun.
Criminal law to.
Studios. Dito na si Sir.
An individual's work concerning a user manual. It is important that you have your gotcha with you right now.
Perfect. Pwede mag-vote.
Okay? This major example. Because I have I have
Guys, we're here at my Cornelia Street. You know why? Because this place is where I lost my watch.
Look at her watch.
It's different na, but it has the same design.
So sad.
I miss my watch. I'm relapsing.
Naghanap nun.
Oo, mga 10 to 15 minutes kami pabalik-balik. As in, pabalik-balik kami yung dapitan, tapos ano.
Sino kaya ang kumuha ng watch ni Ana?
Feeling ko sinangla na siya, guys.
Oo,
Okay,
isang-
sige, sang naman na baka kailangan mo yun.
What did you order?
We got Snow Chase.
No chance. Saka sa pimple ko.
It's not halata.
Alam mo, hindi siya pimple.
It's not pimple halata. You're
Pimple
not
halata?
Englishera halata.
You're not Englishera halata. You didn't try snow cheese yet? Kakain na kami. Bye, guys. Mag-slow,
Go, 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 go. Die, die, die,
Oh, weird! Wish card. Serving.
Embarrassing. Post.
So Yana, anong bibilihin mo dito? Ano yung Coco Lemon?
Oh, there's no.
Mogo. Oh, it's here. Yana will buy Coco Lemon. I won't. What are you looking at? Oh, she's looking at the prices. So, ito lang makikita nyo kasi nakakahiya paalang namin.
Paalang.
Gusto ko ng scramble, guys. But,
Magkano yung scramble?
25.
50. Ay, 60. What
Ano yan? Dragon fruit juice. What does it taste like?
Oh, dessert shake.
Ano yun?
Dessert shake.
Hindi ko alam.
Asan yung dragon fruit?
Yan, yung pink.
Saan?
Ayan. Ay,
Hindi. Uy, ba't ang haba niya?
grabe, ang dami pala dito. It's all over.
Where did I get the dragon fruit juice?
Ayun o, may dragon fruit din natin. Ang dami, guys. Non-stop. First time ko dito.
First time ko rin dito.
A lot.
60 pala talaga lang.
Baka malaki naman.
Dragon and mango fruit.
Yana will buy dragon fruit juice.
Why is it
won't.
Bakit dalawa?
Yung isa may milk, yung isa pure ata. Ay, oh yeah.
Diba? Or like, is this for...
Grabe, namamawis naman. Ano nyo ba? Tingnan mo, may kalbong part sa eyelashes ko. What did you order?
Ito, mini-mix lang nila dyan.
Pag nilagay ko ito sa video, andyan na rin yung name ko.
Oo nga, no?
I love BG Pop. Aircon everywhere. Caution, broken chair. Sorry sa angle, guys. Di ko dala yung parang stand. What the heck? Tito, dito yung P-Campo. Nandun kami kanina. Ayun o, kita yung P-Campo. Tita, sabay? Ano una? Ano side una?
Ay, mali ba?
Wala yung ako. Wala ganon?
Ganon.
Until 7 p.m.
Until 7 p.m.
Are you kidding me? Hi guys.
What's that?
My vlog.
Vlog.
Yeah.
Nalat na yung camera.
Hi, Mary.
Then nandito na naman ako yung labas.
Hi, memories. Are you still memories or did you rebrand?
I'm now Mary Sandrine. I rebranded. Yes.
Hi, Mary Sandrine.
But it is still her branding.
Yes. Yan pa rin yung
Memories.
username ko
Okay.
sa YouTube.
Memories.
Memories.
Try nga natin. Ay, dali.
Para ba magpapakita
Lapit tayo guys, lapit tayo lang.
sa mga panaginip. Ayan, sana cute na yan.
Tayo dito, sorry.
Para bang magpapakita. Nightmares.
Ganto na nga lang, o game.
Riko.
Hey guys, I just got home from UST. It's 8:06 p.m. Just gonna eat like dinner. Sobrang light lang cause diba nag-knock-knock kami ni Yana kanina. I'm just gonna eat some gelatin and munch on some popcorn. Taters. Because I love taters. It's now 10:18 p.m. And obviously, naligo na ako and nag-dinner na rin ako because I still have a lot of things to do. I have to finish one of my recs I think this is my last requirement. This prelims because exams na next week. Then I have to edit my CV and then do like a script for one of the contents I'm gonna film tomorrow morning. That's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys!